Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to get verified on Instagram. So there's two ways for this to happen. I'm just going to show you the first step or the instructions to the first step. Just click on the settings option and just click on Meta Verified right here. It's going to be available for some accounts, for some it's going to not be there, but if you do have it, just click on it and click on sign up. Now you're gonna get a verified badge, extra account security, direct support, and more stickers for a verified account. Now I just wanted to let you know that the ID that you must attach is a government issued ID, and the name should match your name on Instagram. Now this might be an issue to some people, but if you don't get verified, they're gonna refund you. So just wanted to let you know. Now for some accounts, the Meta verified option does not show directly when you click on the settings account. So the second option that we can do is just go to your profile, click on the three lines again at the top right, and from here just gonna have to go to settings and privacy again, and go to account center, and just click on the account that you want to get verified, and just go and sign up and pay, and that's it. You're now verified.